Hello my dear students, hope you all are safe and sound. This is the second video for the explanation of chapter 3, Charts in Excel. What we discussed last was introduction to charts, what are charts in Excel and its components, creating a chart and adding a title to chart. Today we will going to discuss editing legend, adjusting axis values, changing chart style and changing chart type. So let us start with first editing legend. Okay, first what is legend? If you remember, I have told you in the components of chart, legend helps the readers to understand the graphical components of the chart. For example, we have a bar chart. So each bar of a particular color is a legend. Correct? Again I repeat, a legend helps the readers to understand the graphical components of the chart. For example, if we take any chart, bar chart, pie chart, so each pie or each bar which tell you which color it represents, and that will be a legend. Now steps to do. First, click the chart, click on legend, that you will find in the layout tab. Choose the legend options and then legend positions, make the necessary changes and click on close button. I am going to show you also. So you have to remember where you have to go. First you have to click the chart, then legend, under layout tab, then legend options, and then make the necessary changes. Next we will discuss what are axis values and how we can adjust the axis values. What are axes? Axes are the two lines that frame your data. Okay, the two lines, horizontal and vertical line, that frame your data, in which you place your data like a graph. In graph you take two axes, x and y. Same way we are taking two axes here, x horizontal line and vertical line y axis. Now you can adjust the chart axis by following these steps. First, click the chart. Second, in the layout tab you will find an option axis. In the axis group, there are three things here. First you have to go to layout tab, then axis group, and then axis option. Step 3, you will get two options, primary horizontal axis and primary vertical axis. Click the desired axis style and the style will be applied. Next we have changing chart style. Now Excel provides different chart styles that can be used to make the chart more attractive, to change the appearance of the chart. In this you can include the colors that are already given to you, background, shading, and many more things. How to change the chart style? Again click the chart, go to design tab. In the chart style group, click on the chart style you want to have. Now do remember, wherever I am doing something, some changes in the chart, I am first clicking the chart. So this is the first step, you have to click the chart. Next, changing the chart type. Now you want to change the type of the chart. Suppose you chose line chart, but in that you want to add more, or you want to change the style. So you can do the same. First step, same, select the chart. Second, go to under the design tab, there is a group, chart styles group, and then select the chart style. And step 3, whatever style you want, type you want, you can select it. So we did these things. Now I am going to show you on Excel. So here is our Excel file. This is your data and this is the chart. I told you how to insert the chart. I hope you all have practiced. So first of all, I am going to show you legends. Now what are legends? Suppose this is line chart, these are bars, so these color bars, these are legends. Okay, means legends are represented like this, that blue color bar represent marks 1, red color bar represent marks 2, Green color bar represent marks 3. This is the legend. Now I want to change the position of the legend. Where it is coming right now? It is coming on top of the chart. I want to position it somewhere else. So how I'll do? First of all, click the chart. I have clicked the chart. Now layout group, layout tab, then legend labels group. In labels group you will get direct option legend. Once you click, you will get all these options. None means that legend will not be shown. Show legend at right, it will be shown at right. Show at top, show at left, show at bottom. Overlay legend at right, overlay legend at left. These all are the options, and in fact you can have more options also to place your legend. Suppose it is at the top, I say I want it in the left. So see, have you noticed? It came on the left. So like this you can change the position of the legend according to your choice. Next was axis values. Now for axis values, again you have to click the chart, go to layout group, in labels, axis, option axis group, you will get the axis option. Click on axis, you will get two: primary horizontal axis and vertical axis. Now click. What are axis? You are clear? X axis, this x axis, sorry, this x axis, and this is y axis. Clear? Horizontal x and vertical y. Now I want to show left to right axis. Left to right means the way it is shown now. Okay, so I will change something else so that the changes will be visible without labeling. So there is no labeling now. Labeling means x and y. Show right to left. Now have you seen it goes right to left, right side and left. Okay, so this way you can make changes according to your wish. Next we did chart style. For chart style, again you have to click on chart, go to design, this time design tab, you will get a group chart styles. See, these all are the chart styles. Now whatever style you want, you will get the same, right? Can you see? I am clicking and it is changing according to the chart style chose. So these are all are the chart styles. Okay, now next was chart type. Chart type is again in this same, click on the chart, design tab, and here you have type. Okay, change chart type. Now these are the types of charts. I made column chart earlier. I want to make pie chart now with same data. So no issues. I will not delete and again make it. I can change it. So I chose pie and OK. So my chart has been changed to pie chart. This way I have changed the type of chart. Okay, clear? Things should be clear. Style means the color, background, shading, and the style means the type means changing of type. Clear? So this was the today's lecture. Keep on practice, keep on revise.